Okay, on the day of surgery, my husband brings me or takes me to the surgical center. And of course, I'm a little nervous. I've not really had a lot of medical surgeries and things like that. But anyway, I was determined I was going to do this. So they take me back, and of course, everyone is just super there. Nurse comes in and you know, is putting me to ease. Dr. O'Daniels comes in and is always very chipper and his regular self, and you know, he's the best of best. He's such a perfectionist. I'm glad, because I had a lot to do with this face. But anyway, I don't remember exactly how long the surgery took. I would guess 3 or 4 hours. You know, everything went well. Of course, you know, you're under anesthetic, so you know you're taking or counting down, and all of a sudden you're out. Don't remember anything. And I'm thinking we left, I don't know, around 6 o'clock, something like that afternoon. And my husband happens to be an RN, so that helps. And Dr. O'Daniels was, I think, felt a little more comfortable that he could take care of me. But I had some drains that needed to be emptied and measured and things like that. They had to call that, Mike had to call that information in every day, and I believe I had to go back to the office to be checked out, because I also had a laser treatment done on my face due to sun exposure. So I had the laser plus the facelift, so I had kind of a double whammy there. So anyway, there was a lot going on. I believe we went back to the office 2 days later just to be checked out. Of course, the laser made me look horrid. I had to use a lot of Vaseline to keep it moist. Had to wear my hair back, because you sure didn't want Vaseline in your hair. It's a mess. But anyway, it was all worth it in the end. It took probably, I don't know, I'm guessing a couple of weeks before I actually went out somewhere. I pretty well prepared for this, you know, as far as having groceries and things like that taken care of in advance. So, you know, you just, it was well worth the time. You know, I'm thinking we came back into the office like a week after that. They all were super in the office. In the surgical center, all of the staffing is just wonderful. I can't say enough about them. And it was, I think a week or two later, I had my stitches removed, and periodic visits over the next 6 months.